Welcome. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to fix the airplane mode issue in Monopoly Go. If your airplane mode in Monopoly Go isn't working, the first thing you should do is make sure your device has an active internet connection. Airplane mode disables all wireless connections, which includes WAN, cellular data, and Monopoly Go requires an internet connection to function correctly. Next, you need to ensure that the Monopoly Go app has permission to access your device's location. The app needs this to figure out which properties you can buy and sell in the game, so make sure you've given the app location permissions in your device's settings. If the app has permission and you have an internet connection, try restarting the Monopoly Go app. Restarting can clear any temporary glitches that might be preventing airplane mode from working properly. If restarting doesn't work, you should update the Monopoly Go app to the latest version. There's a good chance that the latest version includes fixes for bugs that could be causing the airplane mode issue. If all else fails, try reinstalling the Monopoly Go app. This will completely remove the app from your device and then reinstall it fresh, which can fix corrupted files that might be the root of the problem. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.